Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Crafting, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Put that there, like that, and that goes there. There we go, and you can see there I'm on Facebook, YouTube, because you're watching me, and on Blogger as well. I've done a little bit on my Blogger account, but I think it needs a little bit of something else. I must apologise first off because I don't know if I'm going to be getting, I don't know when my food delivery is arriving, so you'll see me say sorry and run and come back. Bear with me. Right, first of all, I'm going to do all the stamping. Right, so this one, I'm going to tell you what I'm using first. I'm using the Snailed It stamp set, and it's quite a fun one to use. So I've made a couple. I think I made a card before using this, and yes, it was one of my reduced reused recycling bits. Happy mailing closed. Oh, give that a clean with my chamois. Actually, no, I won't. I will leave it there, otherwise this is going to go on forever. Right, now then on this one, where's that other one gone? Here we go. And I'm going to put this onto this as well. Wasn't too sure if I was going to use a second bit like that, but I think I'll have to now. Whoops, I have to. Now I love this. I love this little stamp set, and what I'm doing, I'm pairing it up with. Let me get rid of this before I end up with it all over my fingers. With the Pansy papers. Oh, it's in the cupboard now. So this is from the Pansy set, this is. All of these. And it's the back of the front of the other one, if you know what I mean. Right, now then. Let's get this card. It's a very quick card today. Right, check the cards the right way round. And today I have measured it. I've measured everything, so everything should fit. I don't really see whether you can see my other video. I did it. I uploaded it, and when I went to see if there were any comments, there was no comments. So that's unusual. Somebody usually says something, good or bad, you know. Mainly good, thankfully. And I had another look, and it told me that nobody could see it. So I had to redo it. I redid it, and that didn't work either. Give me some blurb about codes and this stuff. Right, so that's where I want to top her. Like I said, it's the reverse of that. Oh, my glue's running out. I'm putting an order in later on today if anybody wants anything. I'll be putting it on about, I don't know, but probably around 4:30, 5 o'clock. I'll be putting an order in. Now, this is why I like checked. Or dots, doesn't matter, but you've got a line on you. Right, so that's that piece done. I've got my, yes I have, I've got my essential dimensions, I should say, shouldn't I? Oh, I hope that's dry now. I'm putting it on here. But before I put that on, no, that's the wrong one. I'm going to put this on here. Now, I'm not too sure of the length of it. To where you... Oh, Wendy, you muppet. If I offer it up. This is me having said I... There we are. I sat down I shouldn't, which is it? There we are. Yep, I'm going to leave it at that because it is handmade, so I know that's not an excuse, but what it is, I've stopped practicing taking them off, which means I can do a bit more, don't I? Come on. Right. There now. Happy mail enclosed. And then you open it up. And I'm going to put this in there about halfway as well, just to... No. Let me put this on first. What I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to put that on there. So it goes off about there. Round about, upside down. Right. Stick this on. Oops. So now where he goes. Stick that on there. I'm deliberately leaving it out a bit further. There. I'm going to stand up. Turn it over. Keeping my hand on there, I'm going to lift this up. Oh, talk about doing it back to front, isn't it? Well, that's me back to front Wendy I am today, I think. Well, I have been for the last few days, haven't I? There we go. And I've been told if you do it like this, then you avoid making it look like you've cut it off like I did on the front. But there we go. So there we are. Happy mail enclosed, and you open it and you've got the little one there. There we are. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.